What's up? What's up, YouTubers? Welcome to Auntie Kai's special educational video. This is a vending machine. You put the coin in, and this one is different. If you don't respect the vending machine, this would happen. A turtle alike. Let me decorate. It's gonna be in themed magma total. But be careful! This thing is feisty. It's a vending machine. First, I gotta position this since I don't want to have the incident. Now, good. There, got it. Firstly, I need to put it to our transparency. I need to put it like. Okay, I have to put it like a money shoot. Whoa. Okay. Good. You choose anything. For right now, I had to. What are you doing? I had to. Okay. Oh, gotta make sure it's saved. And now I'm gonna colonize the wheel. I need to make sure. Okay. I gotta make sure that thing doesn't get broken. Oh, yikes! Nobody's not supposed to see this. No one not supposed to see that. Okay, don't worry. Oh yes, this is the vending machine. How that got in there? This is the ordinary vending machine. If you don't respect the vending machine, will unleash the magma talo power. Can will golden slash at you, which I'm gonna do right now. So I'm gonna add 3 golden things. Colonize 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. Gotta make sure it works. First, better put this on since it will help. So the mechanic is. So I'll put it. Yeah, that doesn't work. If you don't respect the vending machine, this will happen. I'll show you the mechanic. So first, I got those time like 1, 2, and 3. Now we test it. I gotta. It's a moving vending machine. It's a car vending machine. Oh no! Oh no! Oh, it's broke. The vending machine just Oofed. Don't worry, guys. This is the greatest. Does anyone want to go on the war? Nah. I got work on my work to do. There's a system. Okay. How do I get in? There's usually the compartment. Okay, let's see what's the problem. Okay. So I see the problem. Okay. Okay. I had to place a pole. Repair system success. Now locking doors. Right now. Oh, what happened? So it unleashes its furious fury. Okay. That's how my vending machine works. So subscribe to my channel. Bye.